In this video, I'm going to show you my personal fine opinion on HLBZ, exactly what I'm expecting the price to do, exactly what I'm expecting the price to go, and the risk behind it. So, looking at the daily chart, we can see that we have overall started the week off with a left foot. Okay, we can see that we open with a 6.55% bearish, and this is how we have performed overall today. There's again some time, 31 minutes before the market closed, and then we have the post market. But yeah, still, the I have seen a pretty great break on the 3-day chart on HLBZ that I haven't seen actually previously, except right here. Let's even here, this was not a break right here on the 3-day chart. But yeah, it was fairly great ever since like right here in September 2021, and I'm definitely kind of skeptic, and I would love to see something be happening here. So I have this low marked up. My genuine predictions are looking something like this from my previous video. So I'm definitely expecting the price to do something as such, at least break these highs out, and also just breaking the lows does make a lot of sense too. So yeah, I'm taking a risk right here. Again, this is just my